In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is have some text. So I'm just going to put some text over here and we're going to name it sample text. There we go. And I'm also going to make it a bit bigger so we can see a bit better. Okay, that's going to do, and I'm going to press on enter. Now, when you do that over here, when you actually exit this, as you can see, you press the escape key, and then you'll be able to move this around, and you can, of course, edit it, and you can edit this box. But then if you go ahead and basically hover your mouse over this blue circle over here at the top, you'll be able to see kind of a rotation icon. And if you now click this, so basically click and hold your mouse click, and then just go ahead and drag either to the right or to the left, as you can see here, this will allow me to do a rotation of this text, and it shows how many degrees I'm rotating. So I can go ahead and just now release this, and there we go, your text will be rotated, of course, wherever you want it to rotate. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.